how to contact Agoda customer service through email. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily contact Agoda customer service through email. So first thing, just open up your Gmail application, and once you open your Gmail application, just tap on this compose icon over here, and from over here inside the to button, which is your recipient of the email, just type in the following, which is bees@agoda.com. So just tap on it, and this is the official mail to contact Agoda customer service. And under the subject section, you just have to write about why you are sending this, or what's the main purpose or headline or subject of this mail being sent. So once you type in your subject, you just have to describe your issue or your description over here, and you can also attach your files if you have any queries or specific questions. So once you do all of that, you can just click on this send button at the top right next to this paperclip icon. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.